Phrasal verbs combine a verb with a preposition or adverb to create new meanings. Today we learn sit down, which means take a seat. This simple phrasal verb appears in everyday conversations when inviting someone to sit. Sit down means moving from standing position to sitting on a chair, seat, or surface. It describes the physical action of bending knees and lowering body onto something to sit. This phrasal verb emphasizes the complete motion of sitting. Please sit down shows polite instruction. Come in and sit down welcomes someone into a room. Sit down and relax combines sitting with resting. These examples show sit down in common daily situations. Sit down equals take a seat, the most common alternative. Have a seat sounds more formal and inviting. Be seated appears in restaurants or formal events. All three phrases mean exactly the same physical action. Sit down on the bed specifies where to sit. Come in and sit down repeats the welcoming pattern. Sit down for a while suggests sitting temporarily. Notice how sit down often pairs with location words. Please sit down here adds location to the polite request. Sit down on the sofa names specific furniture. Let's sit down together suggests sitting as a group. Practice these to build confidence using the phrasal verb. Always use please sit down for politeness. Come in and sit down welcomes guests. Take a seat means exactly the same. The action moves someone from standing position to sitting position. You mastered sit down phrasal verb. Use it confidently in all situations. Practice with real conversations to make it natural. Next video covers another important phrasal verb.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.